Hello everyone, this is my review of the Chewy Magnesium Glycinate Gummies. The coconut and pistachio flavor is unique, and it's a nice change from the usual fruit-flavored supplements. I also like that these use magnesium glycinate, which is known for being gentle on the stomach and easy to absorb. I don't get the digestive discomfort that I've experienced with some other forms of magnesium. Another thing that stood out is how convenient they are. I can grab a couple of gummies without having to swallow large capsules or tablets. I also appreciate that they include vitamins B6 and D3, so you're getting a little extra nutritional support in the same serving. The texture is soft and chewy without being overly sticky, and they feel more like a treat than a daily supplement. After taking them consistently, they become an easy part of my nightly routine, and I appreciate having a simple, enjoyable way to add magnesium to my diet. Overall, if you're looking for a magnesium supplement that's easy to take, tastes great, and comes in a convenient gummy form, these Chewy Magnesium Glycinate Gummies are definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.